Hello, Mrs. Hart here with another read aloud. This book is called Wendell the Worrier. And I want you to think about all the times you worried and stressed out over things that might not be in your control. This book is going to show you just how to deal with these kind of issues. Go. Wendell worried day and night. His family knew it was not right. Wendell worried that his dog had fleas. He worried about getting stung by bees. Wendell worried that his fish might die. He worried about a little fly. Wendell worried that his socks didn't match. He worried that he could not catch. Wendell worried that he would be late. He worried that he could not skate. Wendell worried that he would fail a test. He worried so much he could not rest. His brother joked and had fun. Why not let the worrying be done? Wendell stopped and scratched his head. Yes, let's go have some fun instead. Since that day, Wendell feels free. Wendell is as happy as he can be. I hope you have enjoyed the book, and I hope that you have taken something away from it, that sometimes it's best not to worry about things we cannot control, and that we can just go outside in the sunshine and have some fun.